experiment है how pass those
अभी नहीं मैम अभी
chair है वास्ते you can try it once again. When zinc is reacted with hydrochloric acid, it will displace the hydrogen from its chloride solution, ठीक है, and will form a gas. That hydrogen gas, when come in contact with the flame, will burn out with a pop sound. The most famous experiment कि how hydrogen gas बस भाई बस